Welcome to MSlide for Food Menus, Introduction Tutorial. If you're ready to dive into a simple way to explore food menus, you've come to the right spot. This quick guide will show you how our menu works. Let's jump in. In the food menu, we've got three main types of layout slides. We're going to start with the intro video slide. Below the business logo, you'll see a short paragraph of text. This is a spot the restaurant can customize however they want, maybe to shout out today's specials or share a catchy slogan. Just below that text, there are three social media or website links. You get to pick which ones to show. The background of this slide is a video, styled like TikTok. You can use it to show off whatever you want, maybe a chef in action or a sizzling dish. And since this menu is mobile only, you just swipe up to keep exploring TikTok style. Let's move on to the dish screen slide. First thing is this tag. This little label tells you which section of the menu this dish belongs to, like appetizers, main dishes, or drinks. It's a quick way to know what category you're scrolling through. Next, you've got the title of the dish. This is the name of what you're looking at, so you can spot it fast as you swipe up. Then, there's the description, right below the title. This part gives you the tasty details of how the dish is made. Below the description, you'll see the price, adaptable to your local currency. One thing to point out is that title, description, and price are all editable. You can tweak them whenever you want. It's all flexible to keep the menu fresh and just how you like it. Now, let's talk about the navigation tabs at the bottom of the screen. These little buttons are your shortcut to move around fast, to skip to desserts or jump back to appetizers. Just tap one of these tabs, and you're there. Let's wrap up with the closing video slide. This one's a lot like the intro video slide. It's another chance for the restaurant to share something extra with the guests. In the next tutorial videos, you'll learn more about updating menu text contents, plus tips for snapping perfect dish photos and creating awesome ambience videos.